daughter, it's not time you tell me what is wrong with you all this while. Huh? Talk to me, I am your mother.
Mama, I don't want to talk about it.
But you can't be dying in silence. Talk to me. Chinwam, please stop crying and talk to me.
Mama, he has abandoned me.
Who abandoned you?
Mama, my fiance has abandoned me for another woman.
Wait. Is it the guy that you have been telling me about all this while?
Yes, Mama.
What happened? Did you quarrel with him?
No, Mama. He saw this girl and then he fell in love with her. Just like that. On the day he was supposed to introduce me to his mother.
What type of nonsense is this?
Mama, do you know the worst? The worst of it is that the girl in question is causing problem between him and his brother. Can you believe that? A common local village girl.
You mean two brothers are fighting over a girl and their mother doesn't have anything to tell them?
I'm telling you, Mama.
Hey.
I wish it was a joke. But it's all reality. Reality. Mama, I feel like dying. I feel like killing myself.
It's okay.
Mama, can you believe my love?
It's okay.
Everything I put in, the love that we shared.
God is in control. You hear? God is in
God,
control.
you're
Don't
listening
cry.
to me.
Yes, don't cry. He's listening to you.
Jehovah, you're hearing
He's
my
hearing
tears.
you. Don't cry.
God, don't allow this to happen to me. Don't allow this to happen to me.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Mother, you know the truth in this matter. Why not go ahead and say it?
What truth are you talking about?
I knew Oledo before Lutana. She was my love before we lost contact. That Lutana brought her here does not mean anything. Mother, please. Tell him to stay away from Oledo. She's mine. And besides, he doesn't even love her.
You're a stupid boy. You're stupid for saying that. Who doesn't love her? Look at this idiot. Who doesn't love her?
Lutana, you're not part of this discussion.
Oh, you're doing all these things to buy Mama's favor. To buy her support, that's why you're doing this. You're very stupid.
My friend, who invited you to this discussion? Why can't you respect yourself for once? You're not even ashamed of yourself. Fighting your younger brother over a woman.
You shut up your mouth, you stupid fool. Who is fighting you over a woman? Stay away from that girl before I kill you. Look at this one.
Lutana, please. Please stop all this. You people should stop.
Mama, stop. What do you mean stop? Does anyone to stop? Tell this your son to stop insulting me. What do you mean stop? Stop what? Aren't you aware that Oledo is mine? Are you not aware?
You're the one insulting yourself, Lutana. Yes, you're insulting yourself. Just look at you. Stay away from Oledo. Oledo is mine, and nothing is going to change about that.
Raising your voice.
Yes!
Raising your voice at me. Raising your voice at me.
Lutana, what is the meaning of this? Hey.
Lutana!
Hey?
You slapped me.
I will slap you over and over again. Stay away from Oledo. I won't warn you again.
Mama! He slapped me! I swear to God! Lutana is dead in this house.
No.
Hey!
Don't do that. Hey! David, you figure. Get over here, Bianca. Every day fight. Fight. What? Hey! Okay.
What is it, eh? What is it? What is it?
Ebere, why are you shouting at me? I was just greeting you.
For your information, do not greet me again, because I do not have business with wicked people like you.
Ebere, are you referring to me?
Is there any other person here apart from you? I am talking to you. Because you are wicked, your mother is wicked, including your sister. All of you are wicked. What has Oloedo done to you and your mother? Why are you people treating her like a slave? What is it?
And how is that supposed to be your business?
Oh, Agwaroge. They didn't tell you.
Kini.
Now let me inform you. Oloedo is my sister. Her business is my business. Okay? I heard your mother sold a piece of land. Oloedo, late father's piece of land.
Awatramnanku.
Hey, is she not your sister? Your mother sold that piece of land and kept the money to herself alone. She did not even give Oloedo a penny from it. Is that no wickedness? This is not fair at all.
Learn to mind your business. Learn to mind your business. I do not blame you. I blame myself for stopping to talk to an imbecile like you.
Look at this. Look at this idiot. Shameless people. Daughter of the wicked mother. Wickedness will kill you people. You see you. Wickedness will follow you and your family.
Idiot. Stupid bugger. Come on, move. Hey. I can move. Mama, don't come close. Lotanda, you have been daring me in this house. And today I'm not going to spare you. Oh, really? All right. Shoot.
No.
Shoot.
Please.
Mama, step aside.
Shoot both of us.
Mama, step aside.
You must shoot. Shoot both of us together. Because then we are family. He is your brother.
Get down. You think I'm joking?
Hey. Hey.
Get down on your knees now.
We will
Get down on your knees.
We will kneel. But put down that thing. Put it down. Put it down. Yes. Hey.
Are you ready to leave Oloedo for me or not?
Lieutenant, say yes. Just say yes, Okwebie. Yes.
Answer me.
You will. Okay. Lieutenant, can you say yes so peace can reign? Please. Say yes. Say yes. Yes. Say yes.
I am running out of patience.
Hey, Bikono.
Are you going to leave Oloedo for me or not?
Yes.
Don't
yes.
make me pull this trigger.
Listen. Since he doesn't want to say anything, can I please answer on his behalf? Already is yours. Yes. It's yours forever. Already is yours. Yes. Already is yours. Yours are forever. Yours are forever. Say yes.
Yes. Say it loud.
Yes.
What could this be? What could this be? Oh, what could this be? A brother against brother. What could this be?
So you're back.
Finally, you're back. You are back. So you can finally come back to this house. Wait, though. Oloedo. So what you do now is to go around this village with Okonkwo painting me black. Huh?
Mama, I don't understand.
You idiot. What don't you understand? When you were going around, you don't understand what you were doing or what? What did I do to you? The crime I committed, the only one, was because I sold my own late husband's property. What did I do to you? Hey! I'm not the only one. an enjoyment.
Hi.
Idiots.
Hi. Try this nonsense again today. It's not that useless Ebere. Mama, that useless Ebere gave me the insult of my life today because of that stupid imbecile called Oledo.
Wait. Ebere insulted you.
Hey! Ebere finished me. Mama, I almost cried. I was just for me hard girl. Hi!
Don't worry. Shouldn't bother you. I will personally go find out what exactly Oledo told her. If I do, and it is negative against you, I will skin her alive. In fact, this house should know no peace. Imagine what she was enjoying.
Hey, it's cool though.
So balance here was eating it.
Hey! Let me chop the bread to us. So
I will slap you.
So the insult they give me will be coming down. Come, Mama. They insulted me, Mama.
I will slap you.
As I was passing on my own, the next thing I heard was, "Wah!" A gunshot. The gate man ran out from the compound.
So who fired the gun?
According to the gate man, he said 2 brothers were fighting over a woman.
What? Are they stupid? Why would they be fighting over a woman when there are 1,001 they could pick from?
Mamanka Kalekwamo. But I'm sure those men are not from this village. Because our men can't do such a thing. Mban.
It depends on what the woman has.
The man said she's a nobody. So she has nothing. Nothing, Mama.
There must be a reason for that. It is not about whether she's somebody or nobody.
It was terrible, Mama.
Why are you looking at me like that?
Meaning what? Kabosi and Khan again.
Why are you hissing?
See question. Nonsense. Do I look like I care? Chako Maka. You think I care?
From one problem to the other. I'm beginning a messy.
I said, say it louder. Hello. Please. Lotta, say something now.
Louder, no.
Please.
Say it.
You know what? Shoot. Shoot. Shoot me. But I would not forfeit Oledo for you.
What?
Just shoot.
Afunwa, he is your brother.
Mama.
You are taking this. No.
Afunwa.
You are taking this too far.
Afunwa, please listen to our mother for once. Because
no.
Listen to her. She's our mother, please.
What are you waiting for? You have the gun. Pull the trigger.
Please don't.
Pull it.
I'm not leaving here until we sort this out today or never.
Hey, yo, look at my brothers.
You're still talking. You have the gun. Pull the trigger.
It's okay now.
Ana yogi biko ineku.
Lotana.
Biko.
Lotana, if you dare me, just step forward. Just step forward and I will pull you down there. Step forward.
Mama, pull the trigger. Pull the trigger. Mama, allow this boy pull the trigger.
You will not kill your brother.
Now you give me
it will not happen. Because
pull the trigger.
Nobody's daring you, please. Hey, nobody's daring you.
Pull the trigger.
What could this be? What could this be? Oh, what could this be? A brother against brother. What could this be? What?
Mother, we have to do something. The devil is an opportunist.
What do we do? What do we do? He has refused to listen to us. Even Lotana is not helping out matters. He's not helping out.
With the way things are going, we can't continue to keep silence. Please, Mother, we should go ahead and involve the police. Let them handle this matter on their own.
Did you say police?
Yes.
God forbid. Chukwajo.
Hey.
God forbid that I will involve the police in this. Do you want them to arrest my son, your own brother, for unlawful possession of arms? Mbano. Omame.
What else are we going to do? I am not just comfortable with that gun Afoma is holding. Mother, anything can happen. Anyone can be shot. You know it.
That is why I am confused. I am confusion as you see me now. I'm so confused.
Ah! I said it go! I told you! You see?
God, nothing should happen to my children, Lord. Let nothing happen to my children, Lord.
Hey! Wahala! Everywhere for this compound, wahala! Trouble every day. Waiting. Because of one woman. We not reach anything. Gunshot everywhere for this compound. Say if that way my guy dey alive, this guy go fit dey happen. Hey!
They are not here.
Where could they be?
I have no idea, Mom. What is all this? What kind of temptation is this?
What do you want to think? 1 minute, one trouble. What am I doing? Hey!
Wait. My God. Mom. Can you see this? Blood.
This is blood.
Yes.
Whose blood could this be? Hey! These children will not kill me in this house. Whose blood is this?
Wait. We have to call the police immediately. We have to. Hey!
Police? Well, how can we get police involved?
We have no choice. Afamwa! Lotana! Hey! Ma, Afamwa! Lotana!
Bam, Obidike. Who is there?
Chigo, you're welcome.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I didn't come for a pleasant visit. I've come to tell you to warn your daughter. To leave my daughter alone. My daughter is on her own. I'm on my own. No. And you people are looking for the trouble.
Chugo, what has my daughter done?
Thank you. My daughter was going on her own quietly. No, she does not look for trouble. And your daughter saw her and gave her the insult of her life. Tell her not to start. Maka, she will not be able to stand me. I will give her the chase of her life.
Papa, what is happening here?
What is happening here is that I've come to warn you. Stay away from my daughter. Stay away from my daughter. Yes.
Warn me for what? Am I owing you and your daughter?
If I slap you, I'm not your mate, I'll slap you.
Tell that your daughter to wait for me.
What you raised is Rununcha, is Urazo. The people should see what you raised.
I want to ask one question.
Go ahead.
So you are here to fight for your daughter who is of the same age with my daughter, or what?
Obidike, since you don't have sense, I didn't come here for age. I came to deliver a message, and that message I have delivered. I'm on my way. Yes.
So because you now have one strand of gray hair on your head, you have the impetus to talk to me the manner you are speaking now.
Is it because I'm tying head tie? If I remove my head tie, you will know that all my hair is gray hair. Meanwhile, gray hair does not determine wisdom.
Come on, get out of my compound.
Common sense.
Get out of my compound.
Get away, idiot. If okay,
you are calling me idiot before me?
Get away!
Oh, don't worry. To waste my strength on you. The woman are waiting for me.
Tell your daughter to wait for me.
The woman are
I will catch her on my way to the market.
The woman are waiting for you.
Don't waste your strength on this woman.
They are waiting for you. Until we sit on that round table with the woman.
Don't waste your strength on this woman.
Then you know you are limiting this family.
Leave them.
Until we sit on the round table with the woman, you will know you are limiting this family. Then you will see faces that you have not seen.
Papa, it's okay.
Don't
worry. Just tell that your daughter Chioma to wait for me. I will deal with her.
No. These children will not kill me in this house.
Move!
Hey! Lutanda, you are playing with fire.
Hey!
Lutanda!
Lutanda, because Lutanda is your brother.
Move, mother!
Hey!
Mother, tell him to drop the gun.
Hey, please, Lutanda, because please drop the gun, because he's your brother. Because tamper justice with mercy, because
Mom! Say no more. This fool has been playing with fire all along, he didn't even know. It's time to put an end to this nonsense.
Mother, tell him to drop the gun.
Hey,
Oyibo, will you stay away from Oledo?
Mother, look at what he has done.
Are you going to stay away from Oledo?
Drop the gun first.
You're not talking.
Drop the gun first.
Move.
He's your brother. How are you doing? Let us go. He's there. Please.
What could this be? What could this be? What could we are fighting one another?
Have you heard from Lutanda since that time?
Lutanda. Lutanda that does not pick or return my calls. Vicky, can you believe that I called Lutanda all through yesterday and he rejected my calls and he did not call me back? All because of that dirty village idiot.
Hey! This is really serious.
Serious is another.
So what do you intend to do?
I don't know. Honestly, I am confused. If you ask me, what do I have to do? I don't know. I wish I knew that girl's house. I would have strangled her by now.
That girl is an obstacle. You really need to get her out of your way.
Yes. If I were you, I would have quietly hung out
where she lives. How do I do that? Vicky, I don't even know this girl in question. If I cross her on the road, I don't even know if she's the one. I don't know her. I don't know what she looks like. I don't even know her name. So how do I do that?
Babe, you need to dig out for information about her. It's simple. Very, very simple.
So how do I do that? I don't even know her name or what she looks like.
That is the problem. That is the problem. It's very simple. That will not be a problem when you have Lutana. Look for a way. Find out her name from Lutana.
It will never be possible.
Baby, simple now.
Vicky, Lutana I know will never tell me her name. So forget about it. We have to look for another means.
You have to try. Try. Let me just rush down to somewhere. I want to see somebody. Meanwhile, think. Try.
We should be brothers. No more fighting. No woman can come in between us. But here we are, killing one another. With all our strength, we hurting one another. Let us stop this madness before it consumes us. My brother, what could this be?
What is the meaning of this? You are not going anywhere. You mean to tell me you locked your brother in his room since last night? Now you want to leave him there and go out?
That idiot was insulting me yesterday. Did you say a word? Did you remind him that I'm his elder brother? No. And you? That foolish idiot was insulting me yesterday in your presence. Did you remind him that I'm his elder brother? No. Now you want me to open the door for him. I'll open it when I come back.
You are not going anywhere. Lutana, you are not going anywhere. I insist you must give me the key. I have to open the door for him. Can you see him?
Yes, brother Lutana. Why are you doing this? Why are you so heartless? Give mom the key, eh? Afumu has been in there since last night. He's your kid brother. Know that. Please, give us the key.
I said, give me the key. Both of you are my children. There's no way I will let you harm each other. Give me the key.
I will open the door when I come back.
Never.
It will not happen. It will not happen.
You are going nowhere.
All right.
Bring the key.
Bring the key. Mister, you lock me there too.
I will open the door when I come back.
It will not happen. You have to bring out the key now. Else you are not going anywhere.
Yes. Kill us all. What is all this?
Or you lock all of us inside.
Better.
What could this be? What could a brother against brother? What could this be? We are fighting one another. We should be brothers. No more fighting. No woman can come in between us. For here we are, killing one another. With all our strength, we hurting one another. Let us stop this madness before it consumes us. My brother, what could this be? What could a brother against brother? What could this be?
Hello? This is Ima. Yes, I followed him. No, I'm just waiting to confirm his host. Once I get any rightful information, I'll update you. All right.
So you said you don't want to take anything?
I don't want anything. I'm fine.
So how is your people doing?
They're fine.
Yeah.
Everyone is fine.
Okay.
Uncle, I came in respect of our last discussion. You said I should give you time that you can talk to Oledo, but I haven't heard from you.
Yes, I discussed with her as I promised. But she said that she's not interested. Besides that, you need to reconcile with your brother first.
What is Oledo talking about? What is there to reconcile with my brother? He's my little brother. I already placed him where he should be. What's her own business? She should focus on me. I'm the one who wants to marry her. Please, Uncle, I need you to make her see reasons with me. I love her. I want to marry her.
Yeah? Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir. Please, my car broke down there, and I don't know if I can get some water. It's heated up.
Oh, some water?
Yeah.
Oh, no, don't worry. Eberechi. Ebere!
Yes, Papa?
Quickly get some water for him. What is wrong with your phone?
I should get water. Okay. Good afternoon.
Wants to call you. Get some water for his radiator. His car is somewhere there. Yeah.
Okay.
Water.
I'm coming.
Just a moment.
Thank you so much, sir.
It's all right. Quickly, Ebere!
Go to your car. Okay, sir.
Go to your car.
My car is parked there, so...
okay, I can see it there. This car?
Yes, sir.
Oh, it's all right. She will come with you.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you.
It's all right. She's coming along.
So as we were saying...
You talked about love.
I love her.
That is what I want to hear. I will talk to her about this. I like this one, love. I will talk to her about it.
Please.
Yes.
Here's the water.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
My name is Emma. What about you?
My name is Ebere.
Ebere, beautiful Ebere.
Oh.
I really appreciate for this.
You're welcome.
God bless you.
Oledo. Excuse me. He is here. Who is here? Lieutenant. He came because of you. Why? What do you mean by that, please? Don't worry, I have something to tell you. What? Let's go, please. Are you done with the water?
Yes, I'm done.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Yeah.
Come. I have something.
Apple, come up here. Apple one. Where are you? Apple one. Apple one. Where are you, sir? Apple one. Where are you running? Apple one. Apple one, stop here. Stop here. Did he tell you where he was working?
No, mother. He didn't tell me. He has been in his room since you unlocked the place.
Then what stops him from telling me where he was going to?
Mother, from what I noticed now, your son might be up to something.
And what could that be?
What could this be? What could this be? Oh, what could this be? A brother against brother. What could this be? What could this be? What could this be? What could we are fighting one another? What could this be? What could this be? We should be brothers. No more fighting.
Oledo, how long are we going to continue like this? You know I love you. I fell in love with you the very first time I set eyes on you. Yes, I probably didn't move. But that doesn't mean I don't love you. I was just waiting for the perfect time. You're unique. You're special, and that's why I cannot let go.
How about your brother? I mean, he knew me before you. Is he going to let go of me?
What business? I mean, who is my brother? Well, I mean, what is my brother? I'm talking about me. I'm talking about my little brother, my younger brother that I can tame. I already discussed this with your uncle and he understands.
My uncle cannot do anything to remedy the situation. The power is in your hand and that of your brother. You should just forget about me and stop fighting each other.
Actually, the power is not in our hands. The power is in your own hand. Choose who you want. Choose me.
How did he know I'm here now? Hi!
My lord, what is this fool doing here? Who is your lord?
What's happening?
Who is your lord? Who is Allah? What is Allah? Who is Allah? Who are you here to see?
My son, what's your problem?
What's your own problem? Don't you have
Look, if I were you, I would respect myself. This is not your house.
Okay, leave this place.
What is wrong with you?
Just stay away from here.
Don't dare me. Don't dare me because I will not spare you if you try to stop me.
Are you
you don't even understand. She is mine. And nothing is going to change about that.
My uncle will not be happy.
Are you raising your voice at me? How people go to this boy?
Baby, I need to see you.
Who is your baby?
Show him who the real man is. Not this fool here.
Who is this?
Please, it's okay.
Lotanda.
No, don't do this, no.
One more thing.
Lotanda.
Don't fight in my house. I don't want to. Stop it.
Where's Oledo now? Is she not in her room?
She's not there, Mama, and there's no drop of water in this house.
Go and pull her out from the room and go and fetch water.
Mama, she's not there.
Go and pull her out to come and go and fetch water.
Mama, she's not there, and me, I need to bathe.
What do you mean?
Mama, good morning.
It's a good morning. Good morning, kill there. Where are you coming from?
I went to Ebere's house.
You're coming from Ebele's house early this morning. Instead of you to open your mouth and tell me that you went there to gossip me, you're telling me you went to see her. Mama. Who is she that you go there to see her this early morning?
But that's a lie. I didn't go there to gossip.
Will you shut up? What's a lie? No, what is not true? Eh? What else do you go to Uncle's place to do if not to gossip about our family?
Exactly!
Yes.
Are you stupid? Are you stupid? Are you stupid? Wait, Mama!
What is this? What's going on here? Sorry. What's going on here? Why are you guys beating up? Sorry, my lord.
Leave me alone.
I'm not beating you.
Look at my baby. What happened?
I'm not sure.
Who touched her? I will unleash mayhem here today. Who touched my baby?
Sorry, I'm sorry.
Who did what?
Who?
Please.
Baby.
I'm not. Can you just stop?
But will you respect yourself? What's your problem?
Will you not respect
What's wrong with you?
They just beat her. Why are you pressing her?
What's your problem?
I love you, baby. Who do you love? Will you get out of here? I asked you to wash plate.
Lotanda, you can't stop me.
My love.
Stop now. I'm not in love with
If I hear love,
just let me.
Lotanda,
Oh God. Please don't fight.
Are you pushing me? What are you pushing me? Are you alright? Hey, this one.
Lotanda,
This one.
I will embarrass you here. I will embarrass
you. Can embarrass me.
Somebody will die in this house today. Today!
What is the meaning of this? Mother, I think they must have fought again. Outside? Have they no shame? Don't you know your sons? How could they fight outside? It's not possible. Hey!
Afonwa.
So what do Serious.
Help! Help us find this house! Help us find this house! I'll be here waiting for him. Let him go and come back.
What is it? Waiting for who? What is the meaning of
brother? Lotana is mad. He has made me mad and I will show him how a madman behaves.
Hey!
I'll be waiting for him.
Afonwa, please, drop that machete. It is machete you are holding. Afonwa, please. Please, I am begging you. Do not give the devil the chance. Please keep those caucuses.
I hear one more word from you now. Cut off your foot.
Hey!
Come and get inside. Are you mad? Get inside.
Afonwa.
Madam, let nobody talk to me again. Lotana, I'm waiting for you.
Afonwa, please.
Hey! Hey!
Because please, Afonwa, please.
I am ready to kill.
Hey,
get inside. I said get inside.
You are not killing. You are holding machete. Afonwa, it's a machete you are holding. Please, keep it on the ground. Afonwa, please do not do this to your family. Please. You are dragging our name outside. Please. Drop the machete. Drop the machete. Because you will be fine. Let's go inside. Please, Afonwa. Afonwa, because they know. Don't give them the chance, please. Please. Please drop the machete. We can settle it without it. Yes. Please. He's your brother. He's your brother. Please, Afonwa.
Hey. Chi. Hey. You need to see what happened here this morning. Like, if you see the fighting, if it's what has ABC or Hananya. If you wonder shall never end. Come and see fighting. Come and see blow like this. I'm trying to demonstrate now.
Not blow my face.
If
Like
you don't want
blow, we fight, not the one me I used to do.
Do you have strength? If you see blow like hey, it was hot. If you see real like the blow if I use you as an example now, you start crying.
Are you serious?
Hey.
Mama, what am I hearing?
Oledo is now the star girl. People fight on her account. You should have seen how two brothers wanted to kill themselves all because of one dendife. Una.
Mama, this is unbelievable. Believe it. What is so special about her?
Inajum. I don't know.
The only thing that is special about her is because she's an Obwanje. If not, tell me why would two brothers over like this? Obu no Miss Nigeria more Miss Ife Wagana. But this one is nothing. I think that's what happened here.
You're right. No, have you seen the person who have been living with all these years?
Oh.
Anabanje.
I'm always right.
Hey. Mama, she needs to come out here and tell us what is happening now.
I know. Just go and drag her.
Let us go.
Go and drag her.
Hey!
Go and drag her. She cannot be two of you.
She should come out here. Bring her out.
She has to tell me what happened.
Chiduto, has Lotana called or returned your call?
For where? He hasn't called though.
This is serious. It's really getting out of hand. Why don't you pay him a surprise visit?
Honestly, Vicky, Lotana is not my problem. Not at all. My major concern is that rat. That village rat that is causing all this problem. I wish I will lay my hands on her. I promise her that her name will be forgotten on the face of the earth.
You still wish? You cannot plan that seated at home. Babe, you really need to make a move. Yes, so I promise you my support. I am right behind you. Anytime, any day.
That means we should get someone that will get all the information about her.
Hold on. Ima. Hey, I've forgotten I have an appointment with Ima. Hold on, let me pick this call. Hello, baby. Baby, please, I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. I'll be with you shortly. I will be with you shortly. Okay, thank you, baby. Alright, babe. Bye. Chiduto, I have to go now. let me go and see Emma. Okay?
It's fine.
I'll come tomorrow. When I come, we'll continue from the plan.
Thank you so much, Vicky. Honestly, I don't know how to, say thank you to you for being there and then helping me out.
Oh, come on. It's nothing. I told you the other time. I am there for you. I am here. I am everywhere. Anytime, any day, okay? Come on. Alright, take good care of yourself, okay? I'll see you tomorrow.
And you too.
Bye.
Enjoy, okay? Say hi to him.
Alright.
Stop! Are you going to kill your brother? 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 Are you going to kill your brother?
Kill us all! What is all that?
Mother, step aside! Step aside!
What happened? My daughter!
You don't respect us! You want to kill your brother! You want to kill his brother!
Why did you never be chance?
Ready!
Look at what you are doing to stressing yourself. Look at you. You have no shame. Fighting because of a woman. When there are millions of girls out there, what is all this? Forgive me. They will not kill me. These children will not kill me.
Brother against brother. What could this be? We are fighting one another.
Babe, I'm stressing. Like, I've never seen such a thing in my life before. How can two brothers be fighting tooth and nail over a woman? Like, who does that?
Wait. Please. Who are these two brothers you're talking about? And how did you get into the picture?
I'm talking about late Chief Edward's son. The younger brother is my good friend. He contracted me to trace the elder brother and find out his whereabouts about a particular girl that I don't even know.
Who is this? His brother. What is his name?
His name is Lutana.
Lutana?
Do you know him?
Of course. That's my friend's fiancé. Oh my word. Thank you very much for this wonderful information that you just gave to me. Please, can you take me to her house?
Wow. You seem interested in their case too.
Yes. The same girl they are fighting about is the same girl that made him abandon my girlfriend and left her heartbroken.
So what do you want to do?
She wants that girl out of her way.
You know, with you, everything is possible. Just consider it done.
Oh my goodness, thank you. Oh, I'm so happy. My friend is going to be happy to hear this news. Let me call her, okay?
All right.
Let me call her.
Philmond, you are playing with fire. So because of my school daughter, you feel you will mess around with me and go scot-free. Who does that? No. No, it's not done anyway. Oledo, you've made the worst mistake of your life. Yes. Hello. Where are you? I'm coming there right away. Where will she be? Where is she? Hey.
Mama, I told you. I said it. I know she did not sleep in this house. Okonkwo. I said it. I know that girl.
If she did not sleep in this house, then where did she sleep?
If Oledo did not sleep in this house last night, that means she slept at your uncle's place. Have you seen it? How God fights my battle for me. That means it is to my favor. Because she must give me a good reason why she slept outside. Hey! If not, but
Mama, we need to be sure first.
Will you shut up? Mama is right. You need to be sure about what?
Calm down. Since you both have decided to fight yourselves, instead of fighting the common enemy, kill yourselves. But meanwhile, remember to inform me when she comes back.
See, I have the feeling that Oledo left this house when we were still sleeping.
Hey. Do you know you're so senseless?